Ciao tutti. I'm here with Joe Kocha at duCret, Center of Art in Plainfield, New Jersey. We'd like to discuss with you what the next lecture on our art theft, cultural property protection, and art history series will be on. The lecture is going to be on a art theft of a Kooning that happened in 1955, woman Ochre. The great Willem de Kooning, the abstract expressionist from the New York School, painted Woman Ochre in 1955, part of his Woman series. It was bought by a collector and donated to the Museum of Art and University of Arizona. It hung there proudly until 1985 when it was stolen. It's a good collection, a nice collection, a significant collection, but small. It was one of the gems of their collection. But in 1985, the day after Thanksgiving, a couple walked in, stole the painting. A woman distracted the guard. The man ran up the stairs, took an X-Acto knife, cut the canvas from the stretcher bars and frame, and they fled in a little red auto. Nothing of evidentiary value was left behind. No surveillance footage, and no one got the plate of the car, the registration. They were in the wind. That painting was in the wind until 2017, when an elderly couple passed named Jerry and Rita Alter. Jerry was a little over 80. She was 5 years younger than him. Their executor, a very innocent man who lived a kind of normal life. He was a school teacher. Their nephew took the painting and some other items and sold them in an estate sale to Manzarita Ridge Antiques in Silver Spring, New Mexico. They discovered or realized what they had an authentic de Kooning. So after a little Google search, it didn't take long to find the old theft from 1985. They called the museum, it was recovered. They brought it to the Getty Institute where it was restored because such terrible damage to this painting. The painting was worth at the time of the theft $400,000. Today is worth about $160 million. So this is going to be a very interesting lecture on March 7th at 3 p.m. Please come and join us. I look forward to seeing you there. Sono Charlie Sabba. Mi piace parlare di arte, ho tanto da dire. Ciao.